Adversity breaks some, but builds others. No challenge is strong enough to defeat a spirit that refuses to give up. A spirit armed with hope. Good morning to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Singhal, former Nadan Manufacturing Head Titan, respected Mrs. Singhal, esteemed General Secretary Sir Shri Surjit Singh Grover Ji, respected Director Sir Mr. Sudhanshu Pant, respected section heads, worthy teachers, proud parents and dear students.
We are assembled here not merely to witness a ceremonial transfer of responsibility, but to honor a defining milestone. This investiture ceremony stands as a tribute to the indomitable spirit of our student community. Today, we formally entrust authority to a new cohort of young leaders, individuals who have emerged stronger through academic and personal challenges. As they step forward to embrace their responsibility, we celebrate the victory of character over circumstance and the beginning of a new inspiring chapter for our institution.
It gives us immense pride and pleasure to welcome our esteemed Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Singhal, former Nadan Manufacturing Head Titan, a visionary leader with remarkable expertise and an unwavering commitment. Sir Shri Surjit Singh Grover Ji, his visionary leadership, unwavering dedication and commitment.
Thank you, everyone.
Peace and prosperity. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance.
May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, esteemed General Secretary Sir, Revered Director Sir and other dignitaries to kindly come forward.
Suryodayo bhave, yasya tishti gruhe deepa.
all for performing such a mesmerizing, soulful rendition. Vinyamshi Forte. Jayapani Forte. David Vinod third E. Rustam third E. Tanish. Nishka Bahena. Adya Kavya Chauhan. Sunaina Reddy fifth B. Congratulations to our young leaders. Mahima Jarao, Junior Gandhi House Champion Point, Junior Gandhi House Champion Ronak Chauhan, 8th step. Junior Tilak House Champion Point, Alim Joshi of class 6. Junior Tilak House Champion Avi Verma, 8th. Performing artist Prabnoor Kaur of class 6th grade. Congratulations to all the student council members. Nehru House, Pushpesh Joshi of class 12B, Vidhushi Saxena of class 12C. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest to kindly administer the oath of office which will be repeated by the newly elected student council members. I also request our Honorable General Secretary Sir, Director Sir and our esteemed section.
बच्चों, आप मेरे साथ अब ओथ लेंगे। मैं सबसे पहले बोलूँगा, आप अपना नाम उसके साथ ऐड कीजिए। आई solemnly please to uphold the values of our school. I promise to serve with honesty, integrity and dedication. I will lead by example and work for the growth, discipline and unity of our school community. I accept this responsibility with pride and will do my best to fulfill it. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Now,
उभट की चुरकानी, वो झंगोरे की खीर, वो हर जीव का थान, वो चार धाम का सम्मान बुला रहा है। वो बड़ी बड़ी बखाइयों का प्यार, वो हरेले का त्योहार बुला रहा है। तो मैं ये हाथ बढ़ा रहा हूँ, आप भी हाथ बढ़ाएं। क्यों न फिर से पहाड़ लौट जाए।
Abe लक्ष्मी मेला ओटू अवेलेना जयान बारीता है जानो खेलेना लक्ष्मी मेला है जानो खेलेना
अरे पारनाम बैरागी धोले सोलनाम सन्यासी धोले चौचा कबिलाश बोली ओली हाजी हा नाडियों की मरुड़ी रात की चांदना जैसे दिल को सूरज जैसे कैवाली का दिन नच हाजी हा कैला शो अशरी
on the behalf of our school toppers.
Everyone, please put your hands together. This is not an applaud only. This is a kind of appreciation and a motivation for our JCS entire family. For the students who are just of class 12. Next, we have Purvi from same stream from humanities. She has scored 96.4%. Purvi from humanities, she has scored 96.4%. Everyone, please don't be miser. Just put your hand together. The thunderous clap I want. That should not stop. Everyone, please. For the signing stars of our school. Gunjan Malkani, she has scored 95.8%. Please put your hands together, give them a thunderous applause. They have given a lot of efforts, they have shown the consistency. So, 7%, Isita Sani with 97% from science stream. Now we have Garima Pathak from the science stream, 95.8%. And next we have Ansonkar from science stream, 94.2%. Next we have Asta Yadav from commerce stream who has scored 96.8% and Gurkirat Kaur from commerce stream who has scored 95.6%. Then we have Tanu Pathak 95.4%. I request all the achievers please to be on stage and receive their trophies and certificates. All together please be on stage fast. I request all the achievers. I request everyone who has scored 100%. I am just speaking the name. Karandeep Singh in psychology. He has scored 100% marks, 100 marks. Diksha Rani in psychology. Then we have a list of the students who have Dhruv Swami, Kiran Vermani,
कमलेश जी फोटो
Dhruv Swami, Lakshit Sharma, Ashvik Srivastav, Tanishq Singh, Swami Saklani, Lakshya Singh, Nikhil Verma, Divyansh Pal, Rudraksh Shahi, Ananya Singh, Shekhar Gangwar,
हर कुछ आधे घंटे में कुछ खाना होता है
Shekhar Gangwar, Anshika Thakur,
तो खुद नहीं मुद्रा में गए ना
Darsh Srinivasan, Anirudh Rajput. Everyone please be on stage and receive your appreciation.
बीच में इधर ले लो उधर सेंटर में कराओ ये फ्रेम बीच में बनेगा इधर ही आओ
Dear students, your achievement.
प्राची मटेला बेटा प्लीज कम अप द स्टेज.
Just be a part of the group photo.
Bring along बेटा come along with your trophy also.
Has achieved an excellent 98.8% in board examination. I would like to call her with her parents on the stage. A big round of applause for this remarkable accomplishment. Sir, please. Now may I request first runner-up Pratyush Kumar Nanda, who has secured a brilliant 98.8% marks to grace the stage for felicitation. I request his parents to accompany him. It's a proud moment for all of you. Please, ma'am. In the same sequence, I invite second runner-up Harmanpreet Kaur, who has earned an impressive 98.6% in the board examination. Please welcome her with a warm round of applause. You They have not only secured this position, but they have got 100 on 100 in different subjects also. Now I invite second runner-up Keshika Dasila of 10, who has secured an outstanding 98.6% to come forward for the honor. Parents are requested to accompany her. Keshika Dasila, she is second runner-up. She has got 100 on 100 in AI and Hindi. Now I welcome second runner-up Saksham Sharma, who has achieved an excellent 98.6% in the board examination. Let us greet this young achiever with a huge round of applause. He also scored 100 out of 100 marks in Sanskrit and AI. Please put your hands together for them. Now I have the list of achievers, those who have got 100 on 100 in different subjects. You are requested to please come onto the stage with your parents. Akash Vikrant, he got 100 on 100 in AI. You are requested to come with your parents. Aman Sharma, Anish Arona, Aman Sharma, Anish Sharma, please come all together with your parents. Arjit Singh, Ayush Nagarkoti, please come with your parents. Ayushi Tiwari, Dhairya Shukla, in the same sequence. Harsh Loni, please come with your parents. Harsh Loni, Harshita Goswami, please move on to the stage fast. Harshita Goswami, Hem Kumar Jha, Himanshu Pratap, Insha Zara, Ridul Malik, Redul Malik, please come with your parents, children. Muskan D'Souza. Natik Singh. I can't find Natik anywhere. Navya Arora. Navya Rastogi. Prateek Singh Adhikari. Sarthak Gangwar. Sarthak God. Shagun Preet. Shagun Preet. Shivansh Mehra. Shreya Parihar. Snigdha Srivastav. Snigdha. Vaibhav.
As we honor our esteemed teachers whose students have achieved the extraordinary feat of scoring a perfect 100 out of 100 in their respective subjects in the board examination, to a thoughtful gesture of appreciation. May I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly felicitate these exceptional educators as I announce their names. In artificial intelligence, where innovation meets excellence, Ma'am Manpreet Kaur has inspired 14 students to achieve a perfect score of 100 out of 100. Congratulations, ma'am. Please come on the stage. Continuing with this, in AI, Mr. Ravindra Dasila has mentored 8 students to achieve outstanding feat of scoring a perfect 100 out of 100. And in the same way, in Hindi, Ma'am Mridula Tripathi, whose students have got 100 out of 100 in Sanskrit and in Hindi. Ma'am Chandrakala West in Hindi, and with the same in science, Ma'am Priyanka Pandey, Mr. Sandeep Verma, Ma'am Muskan. Please, I request all the teachers whose name I am taking here, please come on the stage. In the same way, Ma'am Reema for psychology, and in SST, Mr. Abhishek, Ma'am Tarang Tomar, and Ma'am Kiranpreet Kaur. Please give a huge round of applause for them. And next, Mr. Viswajit Ray for fine arts, and of course, Mr. N.S. Rawat sir for physical education. Congratulations, sir. Moving ahead in English, Ma'am Bhavita Sridhar, Ma'am Manpreet Chawla, and Ma'am Anupama Pandey. I request all of them to please come on the stage and receive the honor.
I also request Priyanka Sharma ma'am to join the team for receiving her honor, as she has guided 5 students in English for scoring 100 on 100. Ma'am, please be on stage and receive your honor. Congratulations to all of you. Exactly, you are the exact role model for those students. Your inspiration, your motivation, everyday guidance made them forced to do this. Otherwise, it wasn't possible. So now, for the next year, we are having the same kind of spirit from all of you. Congratulations to once you again, all of you are deserving candidate for this stage. Thank you all. I request all the parents and children to motivate the teachers as well by giving a thunderous applause. This is the best gift we receive from you.
I will like to congratulate to all teachers who just get this award. I fulfill my commitment और नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप जितनी भी ज़्यादा होगी अमाउंट भी ज़्यादा होगा। तो अकॉर्डिंगली आपके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम है। 10th और 12th की तैयारी अभी से शुरू कर दीजिए। ये अमाउंट हर बार बढ़ना चाहिए, आप ऐसे रिकॉर्ड्स बनाइए, इस बात का आप ध्यान रखिए। और बाकी भी जो टीचर स्टेज पे नहीं आ पाए उनके लिए भी ये मोटिवेशन है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम मैक्सिमम टीचर्स स्टेज पे
I
होंगे।
request all the section head.
Mr. Sanjay Singhal. Dear audience, please give a big round of thundering applause. And thank you so much, sir, from the bottom of our heart that you spared your valuable time to grace the occasion. Mr. Breed Singh, so I request Director, sir, and General Secretary, sir, to please honor him with the memento and the painting. Thank you so much, sir. I request from Hindustan Olympiad of 2100 rupees. Please applaud for Jasneet Kaur. I would like to request Jasneet Kaur to please come on the stage. If the parents are also there, they are also requested to accompany the child. And for the Rangotsav, the first prize goes to Rishi Banga of class 12. And I would like to tell you all that it is a laptop. So please give a big round of applause to the Rishi also. So Rishi and Jasneet, please come on the stage.